Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Suresh. So today we are going to cover numbers in JavaScript. So what is a number? Number is anything that could be whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the numbers. So in JavaScript we are going to cover numbers. So we are going to numbers types. There are like float, double. We are going to cover those in number types. After that we are going to cover math operations as well. In math operation we are going to cover plus, minus, multiplication, divide, module and power as well. After that we are going to cover numbers method, in which we are going to cover two fixed and two string methods as well. After that we'll move forwards math objects, in which we'll cover maths round, floor, ceil, math random, math power functions as well. These all. And after that parse number, which is used to convert a string into numbers. So yeah, we are going to cover all these things. We are also going to do hands-on practice as well. So yeah, now let's move toward the VS Code. So yep, so this is my interface of VS Code. I've just created the folders with the numbers, and I will just create the file with .js extension. Okay, so let's put the numbers .js. Perfect. Yep. So now let's let a is equal to 5. This is the number in which we store 5 into a simply. Perfect. For now please do not see what is let. We will cover later on what is let, const and var. We will also going to cover these as well. So for now just focus on what we are doing. So we store 5 into a. If now we want to just see what is stored in a, we will just use the using shortcut. That's simple. Console.log, and we will see put a into this. Now what will this do? This will print a's value. So now let's move towards terminal. And yep, simple. I will have to just run this program by write node and our file name, that is numbers.js, and we will see the output. Yep, this 5 output. So yeah, we store 5 into a, and we store just simply. And if we want to do, like, we can store more numbers as well, like b is equal to 3. Perfect. So we also store that 3 into b, and if we want to just see the output, we just write here b, and that's it. And again we have to just write node numbers.js and put in the yep, that's our output, 5 and 3. Perfect. Now if we want to do like add them, we simply what we'll do like log. I am using shortcut a plus b. So what would the output of these numbers? Let me show to you some. Perfect. So let's run our program. Yep, so it says sum add. So what's it's doing nothing. It's like a plus 5. So numbers are just playing with each other and doing multiplication with each other. Okay, perfect. Now let's me allow to copy these all things. Perfect. I will like write here minus, and I will put minus bar here, and after that I will write like multiply. Yep, and I will put number here. Perfect. And here is division. Perfect. And I will put divide here. Perfect. So now let's see what's the output. Let's just hold on, just let me allow to clear the terminal. And okay, perfect. Now just I write the node this number to run this program and put enter. Yeah, perfect. So what we are seeing, the sum of 8, okay, 5 3 8, and minus, if we minus 5 into 3 we are getting 2, and if we multiply 3 15 the 5, and if we are doing the division it's going to give us 1.666. Perfect. That's it for these like basic arithmetic operation. You can explore more like module or anything else. Yep. So now let's move towards the round number. Let me comment it down. So yep, let if we have number that's is equal to 5.78, something like that. Okay, perfect. If we want to log it out, simple num. Okay, so let me clear it. Perfect. Let's run it. What we will get? We are getting 5.7. Perfect. So now just work with some functions like maths dot round. Perfect. It will round our numbers to 6. See, our original number is 5.7. If we put maths dot round, it is giving us 6. What if we put here like 5.4? What will it give? It give us, let's run again. It's give us 5 because there is some rules regarding it. Yep, perfect. I hope you get that. Let's save it, run it again. Perfect. Let's clear it. And like if we have another function like log dot maths dot floor, what will it do? It will reduce the number. Like this is floor, like we have to put floor below the number of these things. It will reduce this number to this number. So now let's run it. Yep, see, we are getting 6 of this, and we are getting 5 maths with floor of this. Perfect. Let's come it down and work with more numbers like log maths dot ceil function. It will increase the number to 6. See, it's going to increase the number to 6. Yep. So now let's do something very amazing. Perfect. So let's generate some random numbers from 1 to 10. Perfect. Let number, like we can use anything like random num is equal to maths dot floor, and then we have to use the maths function, that is the random, and yep, this, and we have to use multiplication sign 10, and then plus log and random number. Just save it and run it. See, we are getting 9 random number, and if we run again, we'll get the new numbers. Yep, 6. See, this is all about. See you next video. Thank you for watching.